Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you 3 easy and super cute DIYs for your own decor. Moreover, these all DIYs are budget friendly, so you need not spend much, so let's get started. First of all, take a cardboard roll and cut it into 3 equal parts. Then paint them with the colors of your choice. Then take a piece of cardboard and paint it with black acrylic color. Once all the cardboard rolls are dried, I am making cute faces on them. Next, I am going to paste all the cardboard rolls over the cardboard using hot glue. Then I am going to decorate it using stones. And with this, our first DIY is ready. I am using it as my makeup brush holder. You can use it as pen holder or anything you like. For a second DIY, I have taken an empty all-out refill and I am going to paint it using pink acrylic color. Next, I am making polka dot pattern using white acrylic color. You can make any pattern of your choice. Now I am putting some fake grass into it, and with this our cute little planter will be ready. And here it is, super cute and easy DIY planter for your room. And if you are enjoying my video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel and press the bell notification icon to get notified whenever I upload any video. And for a third DIY, I have simply taken an empty glass bottle and some string lights. Now taking one end of the string light, I'll start putting inside the bottle. This is the most simplest DIY of this video, and I hope you'll like it as well. If you do, then please let me know in the comment section. Now I'm going to place my DIY bottle lamp over the table, and this is the final result. I hope you like it. And that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you do so, then please hit like button and subscribe my channel for more such DIYs. Thanks for watching.